In what appears to be a crypto recession, what a lot of people have termed the Bitcoin bubble, amidst all of the noise and frenzy comes a way out for this new digital asset class. When we thought we had enough of the Bitcoin craze, comes a story that we've all been waiting for. As it says here, in a world first, El Salvador makes Bitcoin legal tender. As was announced by the Republic of El Salvador about 2 days ago, being Wednesday, 9th of 2021, by putting up Bitcoin for adoption as the nation's legal tender, the president of the Central American nation, Nayib Bukele, had placed the country on the world map as the first country in the world ever to do so. During the casting of the votes by El Salvador members of Congress, 62 out of 84 lawmakers voted in favor of adopting the digital asset. And to convince the House, the president had hinged on the idea that widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies would help Salvadorians in the diaspora send money back home seamlessly. Still, while continuing to use the US dollar as an alternative legal tender given the absence of a native currency within the nation's economy. Bukele has placed himself, his country, Bitcoin, and the entire cryptocurrency landscape on the world stage yet again, and has helped see to even more significant gains in the price of the overall crypto asset. Now, what does this mean for XRP? My best guess, a massive XRP price pump is underway. All eyes on the breakout as we look at signs of more extraordinary price discoveries in the near term. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget, you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. There's a thread on Twitter that goes to list all these South American politicians that are donning laser eyes on their Twitter profile avatars to bolster their support for crypto. Laser eyes, of course, means that you're on board with Bitcoin or the crypto world. More and more government entities and figures are now adding these laser eyes to their Twitter profiles. However, El Salvador's president, Nayib Bukele, set the pace to set off a movement for political opportunists and crypto proponents alike. What does this all mean for Ripple? Well, let's take a look at another tweet. Right here in this tweet, we have US Senator for Massachusetts telling us about the need for a more energy-conservative crypto asset, XRP, other than Bitcoin. The tweet, accompanied by a video and a caption that reads, "Bitcoin requires so much computing activity that it eats up more energy than entire countries. One of the easiest and least disruptive things we can do to fight the climate crisis is to crack down on environmentally wasteful cryptocurrencies." And in her words, she asserts that Bitcoin consumes more energy than entire countries, and is projected to consume as much energy as all the data centers in the whole world this year. One Bitcoin transaction, a single purchase, sale, or transfer, uses the same amount of electricity as the typical US household uses in more than a month. According to Ripple CTO David Schwartz, for every 1 million transactions, XRP could power 79,000 light bulb hours. In contrast, for every 1 million transactions, Bitcoin could power 4.5 billion light bulb hours. This means that the energy consumption of XRP is 57,000 times more efficient. Ripple has since partnered with several financial institutions, banks, and non-banks, most recently teaming up with other nonprofit energy-conserving corporations, Renewable Energy Buyers Alliance, Rocky Mountain Institute, Energy Web, and Watershed to proffer decentralized solutions to decarbonizing the grid and show how a large blockchain platform can switch to a zero-carbon footprint. In XRP's price prediction, the choppy trading continues. All eyes on the breakout, though. XRP closed yesterday at 92 cents, reaching a high of 92 and a low of 85. The XRP USD followed the bullish reversal trend and continued its upward momentum for the day. The XRP USD pair extended its profit horizon on Wednesday. The same day, Ripple proposed introducing Federation sidechains to unlock DeFi capabilities. David Schwartz, the Chief Technology Officer for Ripple, proposed a federation of sidechains to enable decentralized app or DApp developers to implement smart contract functionalities and decentralized finance capabilities concurrent with the XRP ledger technology. He'd acknowledged that the company had ceased from adding smart contract capabilities to the XRP ledger irrespective of increasing demand, as that included the risk of compromising the focus of RippleNet's distributed ledger technology from payment settlements to decentralized app development. Further adding that the growth rate of DeFi on network chains that utilize smart contract functionality like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and the likes have been some of the driving forces that have coerced the Ripple company to take action towards adding these capabilities to the XRP ledger. Schwartz had added that incorporating these federated sidechains into the ledger would unlock specific features that would allow DApp developers to add native intelligent contracts that would interact with the XRP token and the XRP ledger, while maintaining the efficiency and brevity of the XRP ledger. News of this also were factors that added strength to XRP's most recent price surge on Wednesday. Right now, we're expecting a critical moment for XRP, as we had earlier seen during its days of a visible green line on the 4-hour price chart for XRP. We could see a new rising trend line near a vital resistance area in the red rectangle, and with this trend, we should expect a breakout to 80 cents first and then to $1 much sooner than we imagined. Although the moving average convergence divergence has been in on the red over the past few weeks, we should expect a drastic turnaround to the upside in the next week or so, which would bring in some solid bullish divergence. In the short term, we should be looking at prices ranging between $3.50 to $5.50 within the next month, assuming we maintain the current trajectory. And then we have XRP's partnership with the Flare network. For those who are yet to be familiar with the term Flare network, you could visit the site at flare.xyz, which is set to launch in roughly 2 weeks from the end of June. A brief recap of what the Flare network is all about. The Flare network provisions a trustless means to issue assets on the XRPL and enables intelligent contracts for non-Turing complete blockchains. After the launch, this Flare network would be integrating such crypto assets as XRP, Litecoin, XLM, and Dogecoin. Yet many people underestimate the impact of this network on the cryptocurrencies and other blockchains that the platform supports. It's no telling the possibilities involved with smart contracts, as they're endless. There exists a whole suite of products being built on the Flare cost and testnet. Some of these applications resonate within the lines of the 2 hottest blockchain applications this year, especially DeFi and NFTs, expected to launch shortly after the main FlareNet is live. XRP had its golden cross back in December and has since maintained its bullish moments ever since. From all these indications, we'll be maintaining this bullish trend for a while as long as this trend line continues to hold. On the 7-day chart, wicks into the trend line are expected. As long as the weekly candles close above that level, rest assured, we're still within the bullish window. Not only has the Relative Strength Index maintained its bullish trend line, but the weekly candle closing maintained it. In the span of the past few weeks, XRP's weekly chart has shown a significant resistance at 80 cents, a price marker that has capped more profits multiple times since September 2018. Indeed, what we have right here is the most bullish signal after 8 years of the existence of XRP. It's trying to hit on up against the 80 cents margin. Is XRP a good investment these days? Does the price of this digital asset show any signs of going even higher in most recent times? What are the features that could contribute to this? And lastly, can XRP hit the $500 mark, just as predicted by many popular crypto and financial analysts alike? Crypto experts predict that if XRP manages to get past the critical resistance level, it can mimic an 8-time price rally, similar to what HBAR did. Like me, you might be wondering, where would that put us if that happens? What would your portfolio look like right now? Well, due to increased market sentiment caused by Bitcoin's adoption in El Salvador, the XRP token has also risen. This Bitcoin-induced market sentiment was such that the most significant cryptocurrency took yet another great leap on Wednesday, swinging the market trend to the bullish side. All thanks to the increased adoption by various nations of the world. In the aftermath of the announcement by the President of the Republic of Salvador to make Bitcoin its country's legal tender, which would enable merchants to pay for goods and services using Bitcoin and the US dollar, came a sudden leap to the prices across the crypto market. Given the predictions above, as well as the news I just talked about with you guys, once it starts to travel, the price of XRP is going to take flight. I think this is the kind of news that could skyrocket XRP to an unimaginable all-time high this season. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider hitting like on the video, hitting that subscribe button, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can also support us on Patreon and join our free Discord group via the links in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know, and we'll see you next time.
Bitcoiners around the world, the time has come. We are ready. We did our part. Now the ball is on your side. Queda aprobada la ley de Bitcoin.
perfect. That's how it goes when Hollywood perfect.